Today in this video I will show you how to change steering oil on French cars like Citroen, Peugeot, maybe Renault. Here is the reservoir under the right headlight, and in that case I think nobody checked the level from couple of years. Wow. And the oil on this car is absent, no oil, maybe on minimum. You need to use this kind of oil, hydraulic oil from Total Fluid DA with this normative PSA 7 S71 2710 3289, and you need this kind of syringe. So I put here a bottle, empty bottle, and let's extract the oil from the reservoir. Oh my god, it's very hard. I think she don't have a viscosity, not lubricate at all. Here we have almost 500 milliliters. It's not enough, and it is black. Let's see if we can take off more. No, nothing. Now we're gonna put 400 milliliters of new oil in the reservoir, and after that we will wash the system. So I will take this off. I will put a cap on a syringe hose. Like that. Now I will turn 400 milliliters in the syringe. Oops. Okay. Here is 400. And now I will take off the cap. And push the oil in the reservoir. Okay. Now I will put the old reservoir cap back. Take the bottle and we will wash the system. For washing the system you need to start car. And turn the steering wheel right, max right, max left, max right, max right, left, and so on. And after that we will take off the oil again after the system steering was washed and put a new oil. It's not like orange, it's almost black. Let's see if we can take off more. This is the old oil. Look. And now let's put fresh oil. I have almost 500 milliliters. Let's see. It's too much oil. I need to take out a little bit. I think 100 milliliters will be okay. Here, let's see the level. It's too much. Need more. Now it's okay. It's good. So that was the steering oil change on French cars. Bye.